Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placements. Okay, so this is your love reading ngayong December. Okay, so yeah, patungkol sa new person. Syempre, singles and the person on your mind after. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay, and yeah, if you're interested na magpa-reading sa aking friend, so yan, ito yung kanyang FB page. Message lang kayo sa kanya, and yeah, no, and yeah, don't forget to follow rin yung kanyang FB page. Okay? And yes, regarding sa ating bracelet, yes, always available in black and red. Okay? So, kung may tanong po, no, about this, the all-in-one evil eye bracelet, so message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And regarding sa ating ring, malapit na malapit na. Yes and yes. Okay? So, Leo, pasensya na ha sa ating boses ngayon. Oo. Sa mga hindi updated, ako po ay nagkaroon ng trangkaso. No? Oo, hindi natin maiwasan yan. Okay, pero yeah, we're recovering. Recovering. Diba? So, yan. Leo, let's start. Okay, so, singles. Okay, anong meron pagdating sa mga singles? Okay, Leo. Ano ite? Work. Okay, so this person, pwedeng paparating na itong person na ito ay, pwede, yeah, may work, no? Hindi siya tambay. Specific, no? Specific. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Parang gusto ko pang kumuha ng isa. Isa pa. Singles. Ano tong work? For Leo. Okay. Oh my goodness. Dapat wala, ay hindi na po pala ako bumunot. O diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda daw. Triangle. Oh. O siguro itong person na to mahilig sa shape na triangle. The joke lang. I can't. Ito Ito. Some of you Leos, nakita ko dito yung specific a triangle. I love triangle. Pagdating sa workplace. Okay? Pagdating sa workplace. And, one more thing. This person, I think, sabihin natin meron siyang work. Okay? So, may tendency na kaya niya or kaya nila na mag-provide. No? So, yeah, andun yung opportunity for them na maghanap. Okay, so yeah. Aking uunahan na, be careful. Okay, so tingnan natin. Nakakarinig ako kiss and tell sa taong to. So, anong meron sa kanya para sa mga singles? The Five of Coins universe. Yeah, hindi problem dito sa taong to ang kaperahan. Yeah, the Four of Swords universe. Okay, yes. Some of them kasi is pwedeng mapagbigay. Yes, parang ganyan. Idadaan ka sa mga gifts, idadaan ka sa mga presents, mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Madali siyang like kumuha ng or humingi ng kapatawaran if ever. May mga ganyan siyang personality. Yeah. Anong meron sa kanya? Ano bang situation? Anong sitwasyon ng taong 'to? Tingnan natin. The Queen of Swords. Ooh. Detached. Cold. And the Knight of Wands. So yeah, they're a player. Okay? They're a player. So, andyan sila, like, hindi sila magiging open emotionally. They're like cold, detached. But yeah, they're playing the field. Okay? They're playing the field. Open ang kanilang options. So, be ready. Okay? Be ready. Yeah, the sun is in the reverse. So, I think this person is actually sad. Deep, deep down. That is why. Okay? So, parang umiikot ang mundo ng taong 'to sa mga materyales na bagay, mga ganyan. So, be careful. Okay? Yeah. So, ano sinabi dito? Puwedeng may work. Okay? Puwedeng makikita mo 'tong taong 'to, sabihin nating open, like kung sino-sino, ang dami niyang friends, mga ganyan. Okay, mga kababae, mga palalaki. Excuse me. Okay. Anong intention niya sa'yo? Tingnan natin intention niya. The Page of Coins to communicate. The Justice. Ooh. Okay. Sabihin natin itong taong 'to, kukunin nito talaga yung anong dapat para sa kanya. Okay? So, may pagka-selfish do'n, 'no? May pagka-selfish do'n. Kasi iniisip lang nito yung kanya lang, pang sarili lang. Why? 'Cause they're sad. Sabi ko nga kanina, they are sad. Yeah. Makikita ng taong 'to na ikaw okay, balanse ka. So, kukuha siya ng kung ano sa'yo para maging okay rin siya. Okay? Advice for the single Leos. Six of Cups. Okay? So, kung kaya mo gawin na parang friend muna, do it. Yeah. And hindi ka dapat vulnerable. Okay? Hindi ka dapat vulnerable. Limits, boundaries ang kailangan dito. Okay? Kung gusto niya makipagkaibigan, go. Hanggang dun lang. Pero, si Knight of Wands, this is, ma-flirt to. Okay? Hindi mo dapat bibigyan ng soft spot yung pagiging flirt niya. Hindi ka dapat kakagat dito. Kasi kapag kumagat ka dito, hindi natin alam. Okay? So, dapat balanse ka lang din. Huwag mong aalisin yung balanse mo. Okay? So, kung gusto niya makipag-friend, yes, hindi naman sinasabi rito na alisin mo yung communication or end mo yung agad yung communication if ever. Or hindi mo buksan ang communication for them. Okay, with them. Yeah. Lagyan mo lang healthy boundaries yung sarili mo from them. Yun lang. Okay? So, hang on. Okay? So, yeah, sabi ko rin kanina, this person is, sabihin natin may tendency na mag-kiss and tell. So, much better with the Queen of Swords. Okay? Gayahin mo yung energy niya sa ganun. Like, detached and cold. And, yeah, syempre, para wala siyang masabi. 'Di ba? Para wala siyang maikwento sa iba. Etong si Leo, kahit wala pa kami niya, gato ganyan. Excuse me, 'di ba? Excuse me. So, be careful. Be careful. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Okay? The past/current person ng mga Leo. Okay. So, anong meron? The person on your mind, Leo. What's happening? Okay. What's happening? Anong meron? Leo. Okay. Anong meron? Sitwasyon. The Page of Swords in reverse. The Ten of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, nandito yung stalking. Some of you might be dealing with with an air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. So, meron ditong nangyaring ending. Yeah. This is a past person. Okay. So, they're like trying to stalk you. Trying to go back. Okay, hindi pa tapos to. The Ten of Swords naka-reversed. So, they're like searching, looking for you everywhere. Like that. Okay? So, pasensya na po ha sa aking boses. Yeah, kailangan natin ganito lang. Mellow. O, diba? Nawawala. Oo. So, ano bang meron pagdating? Ano emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo? The Queen of Coins in reverse, the Two of Cups in reverse. Okay. So, parang pakiramdam nila, you're like, guarded. Okay? Like, focus ka na pagdating sa sarili mo. So, some of them, ang pakiramdam nila is namamatay na. No? Nagiging weak na yung connection ninyong dalawa. So, that is why nagkakaroon sila ng curiosity. Okay? Finding, searching, looking for something. No? Mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you, same gender kayo. Okay? So, ano ba? Ano bang intention niya? Ano bang next action niya? Sige. Anong next action niya ngayong December? Pagdating sa'yo, Leo. Ooh! The King of Cups. Okay. And the Six of Wands. Trying to get your attention. They'll try to get your attention. Okay, yan ang kanilang next move, next action. But yes, wait. Strength is in the reverse. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Coins. So, I guess this is like all planning. Like, wala silang sabihin nating concrete na action na pwedeng gawin. Puro plano. They're in their emotions right now. Yeah. They're in their emotions. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano ang advice for you pagdating sa person na iniisip mo. Okay. The Seven of Swords. Okay. And the Five of Coins. Hanggat maaari, just play it cool. Play it cool. Okay? If you need to hide your true emotions, do it. Why? Kasi doon sila nawiwindang sa ginagawa mong yun. Pagpatuloy mo. Hayaan mo silang gumawa ng action towards you. Hindi yung nalaman mo ngayon na, gustong-gusto nitong may malaman sa'yo, ganyan-ganyan. Ay, sige, ako na yung gagawa ng paraan. No! Okay? No. Continue. I-continue mo yung pinagagawa mo. Just play it cool. Hindi mo kailangan maging vulnerable. Hindi mo kailangan maging present para sa kanila. Okay? Eight of Wands is in the reverse. No communication. Black. Okay? No actions na gagawin ang mga Leo. Okay? Yeah. The King of Coins in reverse. No actions. Kahit sabihin yung gusto nyo, wala kang gagawin. Kung gusto nyo ma-fix to, hayaan mo siya yung gumawa ng action. They're in their emotions. Yeah. Nagiging malambot na to. Kung ikaw, nagmamatigas ka ngayon, nagpe-play cool ka lang, yung emosyon ng taong to, unti-unti na nagbabubble up. Okay? So, continue mo lang. Yeah. Okay, so there. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Yeah. Ganun lang tayo kabilis. dahil kailangan. Okay. Hang on, hang on. Okay. So, all signs are through Pisces. Mm-hmm. Okay, so Aries. No actions, no love offer coming from them. Taurus, they're immature, emotionally immature. Gemini, there's no growth. Okay. Cancer, they can't move on. Leo, okay, they can commit. They're like afraid to commit. Virgo, they want to uh, get things done, like get things right, like that. Like, gusto lang makipag-ayos, mga ganyan. Libra, oh, they want you. They want you. They like you. Okay? Scorpio, they like you too. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Some of you may gagawin siya pagdating sa'yo. There's an offer coming. Sagittarius, afraid na mag-commit. Okay? Capricorn, they're backing away. Hopeless pagdating sa situation. Aquarius, they're like holding back. Okay? Planning for some of them. Pisces, avoiding you, doesn't want to talk. Okay? So yeah, doesn't want to talk. So there, yun ang ating reading for Leo placement. So yeah, thank you. Bye!